Hey guys, is your Reolink camera failing to switch to night version? Don't worry, this issue is usually easy to solve. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix Reolink night vision problems quickly. So, first, open the Reolink application and go to the camera's display settings. Make sure that the infrared, that is IR, lights and night vision are turned on. Some cameras may be set to auto, but switching to on can force the night vision to activate. Now, night vision only kicks in when the area is dark enough. So try covering the camera lens with your hands to see if the IR lights switch on. If they don't, you might have a sensor or hardware issue. So, dirt, dust or spider webs can block the IR lights. Gently clean the lens and the small IR LEDs with a soft cloth. So, a dirty lens can easily make the image too dark or blurry at night. Now, if there's a bright street light, porch light or car headlight near your camera, it might prevent night vision from activating properly. So try repositioning the camera or reducing nearby lighting if possible. Now, sometimes the night vision feature just gets stuck, so reboot your camera using the Reolink application or by unplugging it for a few seconds, because a simple restart can reactivate the IR system. Now, go to your camera settings and check for firmware updates, because older firmware versions might have night vision bugs that are already fixed in newer updates. Now, if the problem persists, try resetting your Reolink camera to factory settings and set it up again. This can clear hidden glitches that are stopping the night vision from working properly. You can also navigate to our channel and search for how to reset Reolink camera and you will get the video to do it. You can also navigate to support.reolink.com and search for night vision not working and you will get this page where you can easily follow the instructions or submit a request to solve this issue. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.